How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the display cable from a Dell Latitude 5285. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, use fingers to lift kickstand from base. Now unscrew and remove base cover. Then disconnect and remove display cable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.